Viewers, the latest news about Ethiopia, Amhara, Afar, and Tigray region is that we are receiving several reports from Afar and Amhara region about the ongoing war that will be shared with you in this video. Viewers, according to the latest reports, Tigray Defense Force soldiers have entered in Chifra, Afar region. According to reports from Tigray Defense Force sources, Tigray Defense Force has gained control over Chifra and its surrounding areas after heavy fighting with ENDF and its allies. Whereas heavy fighting is taking place in Afar region and also in many places including Aura, and many areas are under the Tigray Defense Force control in Afar region. But Chifra is an important place which is located in Afar region near Afar and Amhara border. According to several sources, fighting is still going on in areas around Chifra. And further, the Ethiopian National Defense Force and Amhara forces are being deployed near Chifra. And Afar media and Amhara are being denied that Tigray Defense Force has gained control over the Chifra. But it has been confirmed by several sources that Tigray Defense Force soldiers have entered Chifra and have gained control over Chifra and its surrounding areas. Viewers, the head of military command of Tigray Defense Force, General Tadise Varida, has confirmed with some details now. In the week-long offensive attempted in 4 fronts by Abiy Ahmed Ali and his allies, 70 to 80% of the 34 divisions have been destroyed and in disarray. General Tadisa claimed that Tigray Defense Force destroyed the 27 divisions of Ethiopian National Defense Force out of 34 in ongoing war in Amhara and Afar region, and claims that Tigray Defense Force took control on Imbasal, about which I inform you in previous video. Viewers, in a speech he gave from the front lines, General Tadise of the Tigray Defense Force is claiming the sheer number of dead enemy troops is so horrifying that it is impossible to show on TV. He is claiming the Ethiopian troops were also shot by their commanders. General Tadise said it clearly that it is enough for the peoples of Ethiopia to send their children for the carnage which took place recently. The people of Ethiopia should say enough as the outcome of this war is clear a defeat of the Ethiopian government. Viewers, and as you know that the situation in Amhara region is also very serious. Heavy wars are going on many fronts. Hundreds of soldiers are being sent to the battlefield by Tigray Defense Force as well as by Ethiopian National Defense Force. Many videos are being shared by Tigray Defense Force about it. Yesterday, I also shared a video with you in which hundreds of Tigray Defense Force soldiers can be seen moving towards Amhara and Afar region. Along with this, heavy war weapons and tanks are being brought from Tigray Defense Force on war fronts. Some videos from Tigray Defense Force have been shared. First you watch these videos and then we talk further. So viewers, let's watch the video. Thanks for watching.
Golina. Kunuka. Kunuka ده. ذات حتى نبي كنا على ذات حتى قرقرة. ذات حتى قرقرة ذات حتى زمن جمر الواقع. بان يريش كان يبغى قدمي.